Good afternoon, my name is Jason Sharman, Managing Director of Atlas Packaging. We're here today showcasing our new 6-colour high quality flexo printer from CCM, and this is a continuation of our long-term strategy going into high quality print. We selected the Cuir after a 3 or 4 year period of targeting high quality print work. We invested heavily with an Ember 4-colour printer, which really paid off, and this is just a continuation along those strategies and will undoubtedly help us improve our offerings to our customers. We identified that offline printing gave us a huge advantage when it comes to printing with high quality. There's obviously less dust in the process, and your registration capabilities are improved, vastly improved on high quality print. And the work has grown exponentially with SRP, retail ready packaging, so it was a natural solution to select the 6-colour Cuir. Customers are delighted with everything that we're producing at the moment. We've been running some interesting trials using the UV varnish and the gloss inks on coated materials, and it's been a really exciting couple of months whilst we get the installation underway.